The stand mixer is the staple in many kitchens. It's a necessity for baking, but it can also be used for plenty of other foods as well. From whipping cream to mashed potatoes, you'll find these to be super versatile. Stand mixers aren't cheap, but if you invest wisely, you'll have a machine that can last you for years to come. Now is the perfect time to invest in the best stand mixer. Not only do they look beautiful in any kitchen, but stand mixers will allow you to make extravagant bakes without any of the arm aches. They often come with attachments to knead dough, beat cake batter, and whisk up heavy cream or frosting for the perfect finishing touch. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best stand mixers to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Ankarsrum Original Mixer AKM6230. The Ankarsrum Original is unlike any other mixer we've tested. This open-top machine produces a spinning action by rotating the bowl instead of a mixing paddle or hook. The machine specializes in baking applications, particularly kneading dough, which explains the powerful roller arm and scraper and the bowl covering. It also performs well when whipping, as it has a triplicate action wherein the 2 beaters rotate independently while collectively spinning around its central drive shaft. We appreciate the original's ability to muscle large quantities of dough. Given the machine's powerful motor, this could be problematic. That said, if you're making bread, tortillas, and cookies regularly, then this high-volume workhorse can't be beaten. The Ankarsrum Original's unconventional design requires the user to learn some new skills to unlock its benefits. This stylish workhorse has a 7.4 quart bowl that can accommodate large batches of rising dough, while the kneading roller and powerful motor can work the bowl's content with little effort. However, the problem with focusing on bread making is that the other functions of the mixers are not fleshed out. The machine requires a secondary bowl and complementary for whipping and the like. While its triplicate whip mixing action is effective, the plastic components are easily overstressed by the powerful 600-watt motor. In the world of stand mixers, the Ankarsrum is a bit of black sheep. The mixing action is produced by rotating the bowl as opposed to the mixing attachment. The primary attachments are secured on an arm that swivels across the bowl opening so that the attachments can be positioned to accommodate a range of needs. In this configuration, the mixer shines. Number 4. Aucma Stand Mixer. The Aucma 6.5 QD boasts many great characteristics of the premium models, but without the hefty price tag. This machine has plenty of power to mix thick or otherwise demanding mediums such as pizza and cowboy cookie dough. The planetary mixing action helps ensure that the ingredients are incorporated evenly. In addition to this outstanding performance, the unit has suction feet to secure it on a countertop, one-handed bowl removal, as well as easy-to-clean design. Given these features, we think that you'll agree that our accolades are warranted. This appliance proved reliable and capable for home cooking application at an unbeatable price. If you're looking to ease the burdens of a busy kitchen, but don't want to leave your bowl light in the bargain, this unit will likely satisfy your needs. It has the power and operational ease of many of the higher-end models. Moreover, it has a large bowl and a tilt head, making it easy to introduce ingredients and make family-sized batches of cookies and all the like. All in all, this machine offers candy consumers a whole lot of value for their dollars. This hands-on review of the Aucma stand mixer focuses on the machine's mixing, kneading, and whipping effectiveness as well as its ease-of-use features. Our evaluation revealed that this machine is not only affordable, but also reliable when executing demanding tasks such as mixing dense mediums like cowboy cookie dough. Moreover, the unit cuts a few corners to keep the cost low. All in all, this is a quality machine worth considering for your home kitchen. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer 63391. If your baking skills leave much to be desired, yet you want to be able to bake at home something more than muffins from a store-bought mix, the right stand mixer can quickly change the whole situation for the better. And this is where the Hamilton Beach 63391 will really excel. Though stand mixers are pretty straightforward and easy to use appliances, the hardest part for a novice cook is to how to properly adjust the appliance operation to achieve the desired results and how to mix ingredients. And while for most beginners, it's a matter of trial and error, this Hamilton Beach mixer will take every guesswork out of the whole process. The unit comes fitted with 7 speed settings, which is not the highest number of speeds out there, yet more than enough for precision mixing and performing different mixing tasks. Along with a dial switch for convenient speed selection, the machine also has a helpful mixing guide on the top explaining which speed will work best for a certain mixing method. Thus, you can rest assured you'll choose the right setting for the job at hand. Next to it, a handy recipe book included in the package contains a whole deal of simple and more sophisticated recipes, with detailed instructions to help you bake anything from yummy pizzas and humble cookies with chocolate chips to exquisite birthday cakes and homemade bread. As for the rest, the Hamilton Beach 63391 doesn't differ much from professional grade stand mixers. It has 3 standard attachments in the kit to knead the dough and thick batters, whipped creams, and whisk fluffy mixtures. A tilt head makes installing and changing the attachments a breeze. and the machine uses planetary mixing action to deliver excellent mixing performance and save you the need to scrape the bowl afterward. As functional and smart as it is, the stand mixer also has a number of convenient features that make it exceptionally user-friendly. Mixing is a pretty messy process, especially when blending liquid ingredients at high speeds. Splashes and spills are inevitable. To keep that pesky mess at bay, the model comes complete with a splash guard. However, the splash guard here will stably lock in place and won't dribble or slide off during operation. And an oversized pour spout allows mixing in any additional ingredients you need. To continue, a 4QD seal bowl has 2 side handles instead of 1 habitual handle that makes it much easier and safer to carry the bowl full of food. Besides, there's a transportation handle on the top of the mixer itself. A stand mixer most often rests on the countertop. However, if you want to stow it away in the cabinet or closet, carrying it with a handle will be much more convenient. In brief, distinguished by a thought-out design and built with user convenience in mind. The Hamilton Beats 63391 is a worthy purchase for any domestic kitchen and real kind for novice bakers who seek to hone their skills. Number 2. Cuisinart SM-50TQ. While KitchenAid stand mixers are confident top-liners in numerous ratings, Cuisinart is a runner-up that literally snaps on the leader's heels. And one big plus it gives you over KitchenAid is much more reasonable price tag. So if you want the top-of-the-line performance without overpaying for a premium class appliance, the Cuisinart SM50QT is definitely worth a try. First and foremost, the whole unit construction quality is second to none. The machine is solidly built with the bowl and attachments made of strong high-grade stainless steel and the body made of durable and damage-proof food-grade plastic and will outlast many of the other kitchen appliances, which is proved by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Under the hood, there is an incredibly powerful 500-watt motor that will generate enough force to beat and knead through all sorts of ingredients. Whether you're going to knead thicker and denser bread dough or whip up a meringue, the final results will be excellent each time and achieved really fast. To ensure consistently high mixing performance with coarse and delicate ingredients alike, this model pairs the above-mentioned power with top-quality mixing attachments that rotate in a planetary action to blend all the ingredients in a maximum efficient manner, leaving no clumps or unbeaten chunks. With that, as many as 12-speed settings will let you customize the rotation's intensity with close precision to get perfect results with different choices of ingredients. Other than that, along with a standard attachment kit including a dough hook, whisk, and a flat beater that are meant to cover baking needs, Cuisinart also provides a range of optional attachments that will convert your stand mixer into an all-in-one food processor. That said, you'll be able to use it for rolling, extruding, and cutting homemade pasta, grinding meat for burgers and sausages, and spiralizing bread. All attachments are mounted into a special power port. Notably, the mounting screw comes already built in, so there is no risk of losing it somehow. A mighty 500-watt power allows not only for more efficient mixing of all sorts of ingredients, but also for mixing them in larger amounts. Add this a generously sized 5.5 QD bowl and you'll get a perfect model for larger batches. A handy splash guard contained in the package will keep all the spills and splashes inside, leaving the countertop around the mixer clean and tidy, while a power spout will let you blend in some additional ingredients to follow up some more complicated recipes and get the desired mixing smoothness and consistency. As such, the Cuisinart SM50QT is a great choice for bigger families with kids and hearty hosts who often welcome guests. It will also perfectly cover the needs of experienced home bakers who sell their delicacies online, as well as for small coffee shops or family cafes. All things considered, the stand mixer is a quality and reliable kitchen appliance that offers premium performance and amazing multifunctionality and will save you the need to spend more on other kitchen machines. Number 1. KitchenAid Pro 600 KP26M1X. The KitchenAid Professional makes your home kitchen feel a little more like a commercial one. This bowl lift mixer boasts precision craftsmanship, one-handed operation, and enough mixing power to stimulate a minor earthquake. The abundant power translates to dough kneading, cookie mixing, frosting, whipping ascendancy. When the mixer's work is complete, the bowl lift makes cleanup a cinch. This design eliminates the hinge where the head and neck meet, as with tilt-head models, meaning there are fewer nooks and crannies where frosting and crumbs can build up. Though we appreciate the convenience of the bowl lift, it has only 2 settings, fully up or fully down. If the bowl is fully up, there is a space left between the bowl and the attachment. When mixing small batches, you must aid the machine with a spatula to incorporate the ingredients that get straightened on the bottom and sides of the bowl. Additionally, the fixed design often requires lowering the bowl when adding large quantities of dry ingredients. In reality, all mixers have these types of issues, many to a greater degree than this one. All things considered, the problem solved by the Professional far outweighs those left unresolved. The Professional is a superb machine. It leads the class in nearly every metric and boasts a large bowl and more convenient interface than many of its peers. However, the price of the machine reflects the performance and is probably more than most of the home cooks and bakers need. If you're thinking of production, this is your best bet, but it comes at a cost. Give yourself a rest and stop wasting your precious time on hand mixing the ingredients. Hand over such thing to this remarkable multitask stand mixer and leave your worries behind. A stand mixer is a must-have gadget if you're a passionate home baker. With the help of this beautiful device, baking will become a breeze. You can use a stand mixer to whipping cream, beating egg whites, simplifying dough prep, and many more without getting your arm tired. Even the lazy cooks who just don't want to work so hard can use this device. However, getting the best stand mixer is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which products suit you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.